Hello students, this is Prakasham sir from Math Beyond Marks channel where you can learn mathematics through concepts. In the previous video, that is video number 40, we have seen about Mesopotamian number system where they used number 1 and less than symbol alone. And in the place of 0, they used a placeholder. So they introduced placeholder symbol for 0, but they didn't use 0. Now let us see in this video, that is video number 41, in Mayan number system, what symbols they are introducing and how they are going to compete with Mayan number system, or how they evolved, that means how they improved from the Mayan number system. All those things let us see in this video. Shall I go to the video? In Mayan number system, they used only two symbols. That is, for ones they used dot, and for fives, this is a new system they are using for 5. So for 5 they used just bar. Okay, for 1 they used dot, and for 5 they used bar. For empty, that is for 0, empty they considered, that is a shell like this. Okay, like this, something they wrote shell. So only using these three symbols they developed the Mayan number system. What it is, how we are going to write the numbers from this one, let us see one by one. Now let us see how they wrote the numbers using this system. So let us start with 1. 1 means 1 dot. 2 means 2 dots. 3, 3 dots. 4, 4 dots. 5, they used not dots, they used this dash hyphen. Okay, that's what here they used, what symbol they used that. So what about 6 will be? 6 is nothing but 1 dot and 1 hyphen. 7, 2 dots and 1 hyphen. 8, 3 dots and 1 hyphen. 9, 4 dots and 1 line segment. Then for 10, it is 2 bars. So till how much they went like this, means up to 19 they went. For 19, now they have tried 3 bars, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. But for 20, what they did, only 1 dot. That's all. That is 20. Is it okay for them? Means no, it is 1 and also 20. That means what they made, they kept one placeholder here in the place of 0. Now it is in 1's place and it is in 10's place. So more or less they used the place value also. Then for 21, what will happen, 1 and 1. Why? In 1's place 1 and 20's place, 10's place, that is 1. Okay, 1 itself 20 only. Okay, then year 1 and year 2. If they go like this, for 25, it is nothing but 20 and 5. 20 plus 5, it is 25. For 30, 10, that is 20 and 2 bars. Then for 40, what it will be? 2 dots and a placeholder symbol. That's all. It is 40. That means what? We are using base 10 system, 10, 20, 30, 40 like that. Here it repeats in 20, 40, 60 like that it goes on. But here one more thing we ought to very importantly notice, up to 60 they are writing no. Yes, what happens after 60? We will see whether they follow the same system or not. Let us see now. Okay, now what you have to understand, for 20 it is 1 dot and 1 placeholder symbol. For 40 it is 2 dots and 1 placeholder symbol. We will now go to little larger numbers. Up to 360, okay, 1 dot and 1 placeholder and 1 placeholder. Now suppose it is 389. We are going to the number 389. In this, what are the things available? is 360. 1 into 360, that means 1 dot. Then after 360, what is that? 80. That means 1 into 20. 1 into 20, 9. 9 means you have to use 5 and 4. 9. So 1 into 9, that's all. This is now 389. Shall we go to one more example? I hope you are able to understand, my dear children. This is 389 means you have to split into 360 and 20 and then one's place. So 360 is place, 20 is place. 20's place can move up to 360. 360. If it comes, you have to keep one more dot. Now next number is 746. What is that? 746? In this, two 360s are there. So 2 into 360 equal to 720. Okay. Then 720 means again 2. 2 into 20, it goes to 40. Then again 6 into 1. So 6 into 1. That means outright 2 in 360's place, 2 in 20's place, and 6. Yes, it is 6 in one's place. Okay, that's all. This is the number system for Mayan. Okay, they used Mayan number system. Now I said I will say one secret. What is that? Why they didn't use? What is that? Why they didn't use up to 400 and they stopped within 360 means they are having on Mayan calendar. See that Mayan calendar there. This is the Mayan calendar. You see in the middle of the calendar, it is 1, 2. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 slash 6, 1 dot and slash 7, 2 dots and 1. Okay, 1 dots and bar, not slash, sorry, bar. Likewise, they created up to 20 only. 20 they kept as empty or placeholder. In the next row, they started the same like symbols they started. Here they kept, that means it is 360. And here this value and this value together they have calculated. But we are not knowing deeply into this number calendar. Okay. 360, this will become 360. So totally 381 is the value for this one. And suppose, remember, in this place if they keep dash, that means what? No, suppose they keep like this. Here you have to calculate as 5 into 360. Okay, 2 if they keep 2, 3 if they keep 3. Suppose if they want to keep 11, don't worry, they will keep in this place also like this. This group contains 11. Hence, we have to write it as 11 into 360 and go on. So, in that manner, they can write the larger number also. So, you can understand they used a Mayan calendar and relate to that this number system. They cut short with 360 and multiples of 60s they kept it. Are you able to understand, my dear children? Like us, struggled to get lot of things, but they succeeded. A few number systems succeeded, a few couldn't succeed. So there is a development from beginning till now. Mayan number system. In Mayan number system, one big advantage is that a placeholder. They kept a placeholder when the place is empty, and they made 0 in that manner. Okay, next one is Chinese number system. Let us see that in video number 42. Until then, it's bye from your Prakasam sir.